Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on HayDay. So in order to add friends on HayDay, open your HayDay application on your device. Once you are in this page, tap on the menu bar at the top left hand corner. Now tap the settings button and ensure that you are logged in with your Supercell ID. If you are not connected to Supercell ID, then make sure that you are. Simply go ahead and register for Supercell ID, and then once you are connected, tap on this connected button. It'll open up this interface where you can see this option. Simply tap the add button right next to add or invite friends to Supercell ID, and then there are three options you can select to start adding friends. You can either choose the first scan QR code option and allow HayDay to access your camera by tapping OK. Simply go ahead and scan your friend's QR code with the help of the QR code scanner, and you'll be able to add the person on your friend list. Another thing you can do is to share your link profile to your friend. Tap the share link to profile button and then go ahead and select one of your friends from the shortcut, or select one of the apps from where you can choose your friend you'd like to send the invitation to, and then tap send at the top right. Once they click on your link and join into the game, you'll be able to add them as a friend on HayDay. You can also add your HayDay friends by tapping on the last option, and if you have any in-game friends, they'll be listed on this screen. Simply tap the add button to add them as a friend with your Supercell account. That was how you can easily add friend on HayDay. Once the friend accepts your invitation and joins in, you'll be able to find your friend list in the friend icon at the bottom right of your main homepage. That is how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.